Gonna do a quick video of Chem-Dip, kind of a quick review, carburetor and parts cleaner. Last time I used this stuff was 10, I don't know, 15 years ago, something like that. It's been a really long time, and it worked really well back in the day for actually this exact same carburetor that I'm cleaning up today. This is out of a little Honda 50, and this thing is nasty. I'm not sure if it'll focus in there, but obviously bad gas got left in, and it's just disgusting. So gonna give this a try. I didn't want to order it off Amazon. I was gonna try the gunk brand, but I'm reading about cans and other things getting dented and leaking all over the place. So this is all the local auto parts store had in stock. So I had good luck with it back in the day, but I read all these things about new formulations and regulations, and it kind of sucks now. I don't know. We'll see if this cleans up this little carb again. Leave it in for probably about 4 hours, stirring maybe every hour or so, and kind of brushing out some of that buildup. Because I mean, this carb is nasty. I don't think it can really get much worse than this when it comes to being in the bowl. It's just gross. So needle doesn't look too bad, but just pretty rough shape. And then I'll be doing a rebuild on these little carbs. I've got 2 of them to clean up and kind of restore. So by the time I get back to this video, that time will pass, and you guys will see it in real time till the next video. We're at an hour into it, and I haven't stirred it. I haven't done anything. This is actually, I just pulled it out just to take a look and see what was going down. I dumped out the bowl, and you can see, just dumping it out, you can see how much it's eaten away. There's a lot of the thick buildup still in it, but I can see that it's just dissolving it. So I'm pretty impressed. This seems to be working just like it did 10-15 years ago when I first tried it. I did notice the basket's now plastic, so that kind of made me think, okay, maybe the stuff's not as caustic or won't be as good as the old stuff. But right now it's looking really good. You can see the float's really clean. It's dissolving all the crap. So I'll put it back in and come back in an hour, and we'll see if any more of that in the bowl is gone. So talk to you soon. Follow up at hour 2. I dumped out the bowl. Not sure if the camera's focusing, but a lot more is gone. So it's doing its thing. It's cleaning. Float looks even cleaner than it did before. Starting to look new again. And yeah, this stuff is doing exactly what I hoped it would do, just like it did a long time ago. See the needle down there. Yeah, that thing looks back to brand new spec. I've got a brand new one sitting right here, and it's identical. So the brass really cleaned up. I'm going to pull that out now, but hopefully maybe hour 3 or 4 finish getting the rest of the crud out of that thing. I believe we're at hour 4 right now, and I think the bowl's coming about as clean as it's going to get without probably a little bit of help. I stuck a screwdriver down in that remaining little pile of sludge, and I mean, it's like tar. It's so thick. Wish that camera would focus, but yeah, it's pretty nasty. I'm going to go ahead and pull the carb itself out and probably pull the jet and set screws and stuff. I really should have done that before I put it in here, but I didn't. Take a look at that. But overall, it's really cleaned up. So I don't know if they sell just a different version in different states depending on regulations and so forth, but this stuff is working that I got off the shelf today from O'Reilly's locally. This is working as good as it used to 10-15 years ago. So it's really eating away this nastiness buildup in this carb. So pretty much done with the Chem-Dip. This is the 2019-2020 quality stuff. I didn't find any difference between this purchased here in Arizona and the stuff I used 10-15 years ago. I mean, it cleaned this little carb up perfectly. You can see a little bit of corrosion in there from the ethanol in the bowl, but it got everything out. Carb itself came out extremely clean. Even the main jet, I know you can't see the light through it, or camera won't focus on it, but I mean, it turned out completely clean. You can see light through it. I don't see anything inside, but idle air, everything else is just perfect. Needle came out excellent. I've got this nice Keister rebuild kit, which is OEM quality, about the best you can get, and everything looks excellent in it. I don't even know if I'm going to need it. I might try just using OEM parts. This came out so well, but I know there's a lot of people saying don't use the new Chem-Dip because it's not the same quality as it was, but in pretty much just an evening it cleaned this carburetor up perfectly, and this thing was really gunked up and had been sitting a really long time. So anyways, definitely recommend it.